happy day today because in the studio with me is still Sarah Geronimo. Talagang kinikilig pa rin ako. I'm still not over the fact that you're here.
Not so much!
Anyway, of course, Sarah is here to receive the 4 trophies that she won sa 2008 Mixed Music Awards. Pero dalawa muna ang present namin sa'yo. And of course, our trophy girl, Angel, will first present the award for Favorite Mixed Celebrity VJ!
Thankful at medyo unbelievable ito, no? favorite celebrity VJ. Thank you! Talaga namang every time po na invite po ako dito sa mix ng mag-celebrity VJ, talagang it's always been fun. At nakakatuwa na nagbibigyan ko yung mga nagre-request.
Yeah.
So, thank you po. And of course, sa Popsters, maraming salamat po.
Yes!
Thank you.
Alam mo ba, the Popsters, sobrang talagang minomonitor nila yung ratings ng song mo sa Mixed Top 10. Talagang dito sila. So, yes, to the Popsters. Talagang fan. Sobrang they love you.
Thank you po.
Alright, now our next award, the second award that we're gonna give to you is the Favorite Female Artist.
Ayun naman! Wow! Napalunok ako na.
Okay, so favorite female artist na ako, syempre ang full nominees mo dito ay si Jaya, Kyla, Rachel Ango, and Tony Gonzaga.
Wow!
Umigatin din sila, pero naman sabi mo na ikaw ang nanalo.
Syempre, na-shock po ako. I'm very surprised and thankful once again sa Popsters, sa lahat po, especially sa mix po. Thank you po sa inyong support sa OPM. Thank you. Thank you talaga.
Well, you truly deserve it, Sarah, because your fans are just going crazy and everything you do talagang sa vote, kitang-kita mo sa polls, kasi may mga polls, kita mo lang, taas-taas mo talaga. Talagang non-stop sila mag-vote. So, you deserve this.
Dami ko utang sa Popsters.
Alright. Well, anyway, I will ask more questions. We will award the last 2 awards sa'yo, Sarah. But in the meantime, here's Aaminin by Six Cycle Mind at